Sup guys, here we are in a new video. On this video I'm gonna show you the simple ways to get your first 100 subscribers as soon as possible. When you first start a YouTube channel, your first aim is to reach 100 subscribers before even thinking of 1000 subscribers. This is every YouTuber's dream. Everyone can get their first 100 subscribers, but that might take a while. Maybe 1.5 years, maybe 2 years, but I'm gonna show you how to get yours as soon as possible because it worked for me. At first, is staying on one video category. Then make a video on cake recipes today and then make a tech video tomorrow. That will confuse your subscribers. I have a lot of fun making tech videos, but I'm making these types of videos because I have a little information about YouTube SEO and YouTube algorithm. So I would like to share it with my fellow YouTubers and fellow creators. So staying on one video category is a very good thing. People will subscribe because they like the video and they would like to see more type of that video. Secondly, whenever you make a video, ask your viewers to subscribe because not all people knows that creators need subscribers and what subscribing do to creators. We only know that, so tell them to subscribe. But don't tell them at the beginning of the video because that might send them away. That's not what they are here for. So just wait till end and then tell them at the end. So if they enjoy the content, they will probably subscribe to your channel. Thirdly, no clickbait. Clickbait is lying in your thumbnails and titles to grab a lot of people's attention. For example, title might be like, I almost got eaten by a crocodile. After clicking the video, just find a crocodile lying there and taking a nap. That will make your viewers very angry and they won't subscribe to your channel. And you might even end up having a lot of dislikes. So your titles and thumbnails should be what the video is all about. The next one is customizing your channel to grab more people's attention. For example, profile pictures, banner, channel name, about and much more. Make sure you do that. The next step is uploading weekly. I would advise you to be uploading weekly because this is very important and that's what made me reach 100 subscribers. For example, if you visit my channel, the number of my videos is almost equal to the number of my subscribers. That means each video for each subscriber, which is kind of funny. So just imagine if I'm having only 20 videos on my channel. Will I grow up to 100 subscribers? I don't think so. I might end up having 40 or 35 subscribers. So I got 100 subscribers in 10 months, I think, which is kind of hard and I struggled a lot. And after creating a new channel, don't forget to forward it to all your friends and families, and this will generate you a lot of subscribers too because that's seriously working. I have a hack for you. Whenever someone follows you on Instagram or Twitter, send them a message like this: thank you for checking out and following my profile. So I would like it if you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will make my day. And I'm sure this will work because it will get you a lot of subscribers also. Don't forget to create content that people love and also discuss trending topics. And tell your viewers to subscribe for more. That's much of it. So do this over and over and over, and I promise you will reach 100 subscribers ASAP. And that's all for the video. This playlist up here will make you a better creator and will make your channel better. So I advise you to check the playlist. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace.